Mini hidden spy Bluetooth Wi-Fi small night vision video wireless camera for mobile phone, can be used as home security camera, car camera, security surveillance, spy camera, body camera, sports camera and drone camera, with night vision and motion detection function, remote viewing of home, shopping mall, backyard and baby situation through mobile phone. How to connect the camera and enter the Wi-Fi connection camera hotspot through the phone settings. Find the camera hotspot COLACAM and connect. After the connection is successful, open the camera app. You can choose to connect through the hotspot or through the network connection. If you connect through the network, you need to connect your home Wi-Fi network. You can watch remotely. If you connect through a hotspot, you can directly connect to the mobile phone through the camera without a network. The distance is 10 m. Use of various brackets. You can use the round magnet bracket to attract to the clothes. Can be fixed on the wall through the 360 degrees bracket. You can record while charging through the snake-shaped bracket. Connect the mobile power supply through the snake-shaped bracket and record while charging. Can be placed in a bookshelf, flower pot, and used as a spy Wi-Fi camera. This is the latest mini Wi-Fi camera in 2020. It is very small and very thin. It has a magnet on the back and can be attached to metal. It has Wi-Fi function. Be viewed remotely through a mobile phone. You can think of it as a car camera, security surveillance, spy camera, sports camera and drone camera.